one level, and it's not even the biggest hall.
Hello.
I've been walking for 5 minutes. This is just a show on a scale. You have no idea. I only have an hour, and there's no way I'm going to be able to get through. I mean, I could run. There's no way I could make through the whole show. So, good trip. But you definitely need 3 days to get through it all. And just the amount of people that are here in these booths are ridiculous. Like, here's, check this out. Like, that's a booth. Like, they built that in a day. Well, some vendors are here maybe a couple weeks before to build it. But none of this these aren't permanent things where they move in and you set your stuff up. They built these things. Like, this thing, it's been built for 3 days. It's a scale that I am not familiar with. They do a good job. Really great job. You know, if you're in the construction industry, or if you have a new product, you definitely want to be at this show. It's worth it. I mean, it's expensive, obviously, but I mean, here's the scale. It's great, and that's just the South Hall. The South Hall. Downstairs, one level. We're up on the second level. Go up there. So I'm going to try and head over to the Central Hall. Because there's a Central Hall. There's a couple shows. So what they've done is they've combined a few shows. And, yeah, it's insane. The scale is, you need 3 days. It's great to be in Vegas, of course, because you never go without. Yeah, so that skinny lower South Hall is where we're at. That's what we just went through. So I'm going to try and head over to the South Hall. Or the Central Hall, because that's where all the big names are in the main hall. That's where the money shot is. I only have an hour, so maybe I'll head over there and check it out. Thank you.